What up, guys? This is George. This is my new truck, 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 with a Duramax 6.6 with the Allison transmission. So since this one is 2015, it got a LML motor in there. It's not the L5P. This is the first year with a new body style and with an older engine, so should be a more reliable. Just bought the truck like a month ago. Love it so far. Has 120,000 miles. Looks great. This is a long bed. It's an 8-feet bed. You can tell. Even with a toe box, pretty long. And got some aftermarket rims and tires. Those are Falcons I put on there. Going to do the Kryptonite front end rebuild pretty soon. Got some fog light right here, super bright at night. Love it. Previous owner wrapped the grill from the surrounding to black to get a color match. Got a Caterpillar plate right there. Truck is black on black. You can see it's a diesel. You got a face wheel prepared. I really love it. You know, I can do a lot of things with it. It got a like 7-leaf spring. A little bit rusty, but no big deal. Just do a quick walk around. I'll jump on inside. That's 7-inch pipes. If I'm correct me if I'm wrong. I choose those Falcons. It's pretty good. I heard all the good stuff about it. And to the popping inside. So one thing I forgot to mention, it got a cab light. It's pretty cool. So at night it looks like a real truck. So you got your memory seat, power window, power everything. Got this CTS monitor, show all your temperature and stuff. Black on black. Heated steering wheel, and AC seat, heated seat. This one doesn't have the Apple CarPlay, but I'm gonna add it pretty soon. Center console. This one got a sunroof too. I mean, moonroof, whatever you call it. And I'm gonna do a quick cold start for you guys. One thing I forgot to mention, this truck is fully deleted and torn. So no EGR, no all the bad stuff. Still has a DPF box here, just in case if I got stopped or shut on the track. I would say I just, you know, big tips. And single tone, I don't know what's the maximum, 150, 200. The truck is a beast on the highway. I hit 130 in West Texas. My bad, in New Mexico. And I believe the guy named Corey tuned the transmission. It's a PPEI. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the truck is a beast. I did a couple upgrade. So because the truck from the north, and the caliper was seized, piston seized, so it's stuck in there. I have to replace the 2 front caliper, and you can tell it's a little bit rusty on the surface. I'm gonna do a front, you know, upper control arm, lower control arm, upper ball joint, lower ball joint, and then a swing bar, all the good stuff to make the truck like tight. Otherwise, if you like the video, you know, Make sure you leave me a like, comment what you think about the truck and what should I do on the future. All right, thank you guys. Peace out.